Sanibona mfowethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale game between Orlando Pirates versus Durban City. Mfowethu, what a nice game. What I observed starting from lineup, so we saw to coach had Ulibito had Undaba as a difference go stand up back, and then Bisnamoding basically Umbatha was playing as a more like a CDM, and then Unamtangela bese kuba uTito, and in the front three Apolis, Umoremi, Umfukeng bese kuba uMakhopa. So one thing engiyibonile kwi first half, because iTurban City bingena and angabi ikorile mhlawumbe 2 or 3 amagoli. Iphutha esibenalo was ucontrol igame. One, uSipho ube starter kakhulu, fast kakhulu, mhlawumbe iTurban City izoba ne-break and sizithole sesdefender libekeni ibhola, yena uzophasa u-tail B while striker sakhona eboxini. Lonto leyo I know ukuthi yes, maybe ungayibonga ukuthi okay, we need to be quicker, but egamini kanje where i-opponent ingena, you need to delay opponent. So we had uSipho was supposed ukuthi delay umdlalo. And two, uNemtangela was not in the game. Yes, he's quality, but on that day he was not in the game. Basically, Umbatha was doing more work, like we cover cool distance and in being hand indlela apasa ngakhona through tight spaces. And sometimes Undaba had to cross it ball nanomeeting ngeko, and sometimes I think ufuna kuba more offensive kakhulu, and lento le yaskhota because akana ipace yokubuye move. So sometimes ubini uthola ibhola afuna ukungena phansi, and then we lose the position. While losing position, Durban City will come. Durban City had a very brilliant midfielders. Number 8 lo left, squish bese kuba uJenkins uYenkins number 17, yo lo phuma uStellenbosch, he played very well. Bese kube khona number 10, beya sneaking ngalo number 10, he's so good, uyakwazi ukuthi under pressure apholisa umdlalo, pass it back noma, like he's so good. So we struggled lapho ku first half. And then another thing, kune video like into engayi observe ukuthi uTito mangabe dlala, we hardly have a possession. You know why? It's because uTito is good off the ball. On the ball is not good. And I think position as a number 10, I'm sweet. But angabu number 10 if Ezo instructed ukuthi he needs to stay with final third, because he's good to win the run. That's why which was sometimes where Menza winger, because he likes to run between spaces. Ilapho akude khona ibhola mangabe lisenyaweni kwisiphithi uyaba exposed. So ngingasho ukuthi must think uTito is a number 10 game yethu, kumele simbeka kakhulu front, just like Ugo Bruce wayenza. So we did well coming to the second half. Into engithanda ngale team ukuthi le team i dangerous ngale ndlela. You know ukuthi iPirates like igonje elokuqala, I think Umbatha came in and a play I think uthatha ibhola Umbatha udrive ibhola forward, and then the next thing selfikile kumfukeng, the next thing cross, and then a goal. And igoal lesibili ibhola bekade kuyi free kick ku center, uMbokazi ulisa udlala emuva ku China udrive forward, uMbuthuma ufrikela umfukeng pass it to I think uMbuthuma owenza run, but no, I think on Nomundab, and then cross, and then Apolis pass it to uMasangai, then it's a goal. iPirates ngishilo ukuthi i dangerous ngale ndlela ukuthi ayinezi yabo like ihlala la ku opponent, awunaso isikhathi sokuphatha ibhola. iBay iCity ibe nethuba because we couldn't manage the game first half, but ngeke iPirates inithola ukuthi uthole ibhola and i-recover, and the work uMakhopa was doing ukuthi phela we elect ukuthi we didn't have a number forward. You know ukuthi mangabe ulokhu wenza ama mistake njengoThepile lapha emuva, ilokhu i-opponent attack yenza ukuthi thina we need to drop back, and while dropping back this means ukuthi uMakhopa will be isolated. Okay, So second half iPirates-ke yaqala-ke yacontrol igame kanjani. What iPirates into eyenzile is uLebitso angeke adlale like more like uMaka. uLebitso will open ground on the right, uNdaba uzovula ground, while kunjalo we'll have Mbatha uzocreator lapha i3 lapha emuva i-rest defense, kube uMbatha kube uMbokazi bese kuba uSibisi. And then isystem yethu ithi on the right, I mean on the left sizovula iground. We normally see uMoremi noma you see uMfukeng evula iground on the left. So lento yenza ukuthi opponent izo shifta, you know ukuthi phela i-defense needs shift. Opponent will shift ukuyoma ngabani uMfukeng, let's say udlala ka left, while on the right let's say khona police noma uMoremi, he will cut in ukuzongena as a number 10, and then uLebitso will open high ground. So this means ukuthi wena as the opponent ama defenders basically i-right back you need to stay ugade uMfukeng. That means mangabe i-right back isele for sure nama holding awu2 will be there to cover for him in case anything happens. While ni shiftile kanjalo uzobona iPirates i-breaker on the right side quicker because I build up from there. Ibhola ifeel lapha uMfukeng ngeke kube khona i-build up like 1-2 1-2, no, kuzophuma straight siyisi noma cross. We've seen it sometimes police will drive ibhola quicker like ingene boxing then is a goal. Sibonile futhi police ephasa uTiti ubeqhamuka on the right. So njengoba i-team i-opponent isuke ishwenqile, this means ukuthi iPirates ine number eningi. 1 uMbokazi benoSibisi bakwi-center line. That means ukuthi uNemtanjela will be a boxing, uMbatha will come nearer uzo support, and then you'll see uMakgopa noma uMbuthuma will be on the left. Akulona iphutha leli, iPirates ya overload on the left. Even igoal lethu lesibili uMbuthuma was on the left ukufreki ball. iPirates izo overload on left ukuze wena uthi uyimaka, and then on the right there will be a problem because inama wingers are dangerous. So i-system yethu I think yasebenzela. And another thing, ucoach you could tell ukuthi this man yazi ukuthi umuntu ohluphekile empilweni uyena onezifundo eziningi, uyena umuntu onama advice amaningi. You can say ukuthi uqale like ushizile empilweni. uTito had a very horrible game like horrible. Into ayenzile umgcinile lela goal eli1 laTito changed everything. Mood kuma fans, mood yaTito, you could tell ukuthi he's here because last season boys i-team bethembele kuwena, this season awenzi kahle. So lela goal changed everything. You could see i-hug ucoach ayinikisa uTito. Ubengafaka uMbule earlier, we know ukuthi uMbule is i-beast but he didn't. Sometimes ingasharp but sometimes umdlali udinga i-confidence. So we can't write uTito off, but uTito must play according to his strength. Danko Mapagania sabonga. Give out abafowethu i-depends ithi izohlala kabhethwe because i-team ecompetayo. Leya team leya iya-compete. Ngaphandle kusanobani uPakgapale, this big defeater leya wedlala kwi-cheap amangaphazami ya. And nalo mfowethu lo limalile number 14 ngiyamkhohlwa ukuthi uba is very good. So leya team number 11 ongenyele was very good lapha kuLebitso, bempusha high. So yeah, danko.